Yeah. I went out to go swimming and now I'm on my way back. And I'm in St. Augusta at Dollar General. I'm gonna go show you why I'm not videoing with my front camera, basically. I'm doing time lapse on the rear, but it is 30, 40 mile an hour wind, some a little higher, and it blows me all around. There's no way in hell I'm gonna talk. Don't worry, you'll hear the wind in a second. Like I said, some people think I have a boring life because I don't go out and party, I don't drink, I don't do any drugs. Yes, I drink too much damn pop and I smoke cigarettes and fuck, I don't know. By some people's standards, I'm not poor, but I'm on the lower end of it, you know. Not really. Don't make a lot of, money. This wind is wicked, so I probably won't be doing much talking. And a lot more action. Everybody's finding the gas pedal. Fucking me everywhere, so I'm not going fast. No. Oh, fucking gust. Wind. Slow ride. Slow ride. Wind. See if I can get in some trees. Yeah. See if the trees can block a little bit of it. There, look at home. Yes, this is why. Yeah, the reason it's hard to make a good video. Can't do that when the wind is blowing 40 freaking miles an hour. the weather not feel so hot until you sit still. Listen to that. It's just a whistling. I'm like doing under 40. You gotta deal with the wind. Pull me off the damn road. Yes, it is. Take it down by the, down past the dam. Gotta talk with the wind. Thanks for watching again. Hope everybody's having a good day. This is Sunday, July 9th, 2023.